in past 2 weeks we started a new lesson, that is shapes and patterns in our maths subject. And today also we are discuss the same topic, that is shapes. In December month, week 3, we discuss the topic shapes. So our topic is roll and slide. We already learned the many different type of basic shapes and solid shapes. So recording this basic and solid shapes, today we are going to learn which shape is a rolling and which shape can in a slide. So first look at this box. What is this shape? It is a rectangle shape. It is considered a full size. It is a cuboid. In this cuboid, we considered many corners. இந்த cuboid பார்த்தீங்கனாலே உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். In this cuboid have a flat corners only. This is a first flat corner. 2, 3 and 4. So இந்த cuboid நம்ம இங்க இருந்து இப்படி roll பண்ணி விட்டோம்னா it can't roll. It is moves only in a slide ways. இந்த ஸ்லைட்லயே தான் இப்படி மூவ் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கும். So இது வந்து roll ஆகாது. So that is considered only on a slides. And next look at this one. This is look like a cylinder shape. So in this cylinder shape we consider two flat surfaces. 1 and 2. This is a two flat surfaces. So இந்த இதை நம்ம roll பண்ணோம்னா இப்ப பாருங்க, it can roll it easily. So this is a rolling type material. And look at this next one. This is a one container box. So see, this is a container box. We can roll this a container box in a easy way. So this container box will have a rolling type object. And next one, I used the tape for teaching this concept. Here we have a circle shape and bottom also we have a circle shape. So while rolling this shape like this, it is also moves in a very smooth manner. So this is the rolling shape. So this is the difference between on roll and slide. நம்ம கீழ ஒரு things விட்டு லைட்டா இப்படி roll பண்ணோம்னா it will be roll, means that is considered as a rolling object. அதே ஒரு things நம்ம வச்சிட்டு லேசா அப்படி push பண்ணோம்னா அது push ஆகாம roll ஆகாம ஸ்டேபிளா இருந்துச்சுனா that object only in a slides, have only in a slides. This is a difference between roll and slide. Our next subtopic is a different type of lines. We already very familiar with the different type of lines in our pre-KG class itself, because whenever we started writing in our KG classes, first we started lines in our note. So today also we are going to just discuss and remember what are the lines we already learned in our previous classes. First one is a sleeping line, next one is a standing line, and the last two pieces is a slanting line. So this is a different type of lines. And first this is a sleeping line. The sleeping line is called otherwise horizontal lines. And next thing is a standing line. The standing line is called otherwise vertical line. So this is are the different type of lines. Now we have to move the book exercise regarding this roll and slide topic as well as the lines topic. Yeah, now it's a time for our maths exercise. Now we have to open our maths book, page number 107, 107, exercise 4. Can these shapes roll or slide or do both? Write yes or no. Now we have to identify these objects, whether these objects can roll or slide. If it is roll means we have to write yes, or if it is not roll means we have to write no. So look at this first object. This is a cone shape. Cone shape நம்ம கீழ ஊட்டி விட்டா it will be roll. So in this roll we have to write S. In this roll won't have any slides? No. So N-O, no. And look at the second one. It's a briefcase. The briefcase shape is cuboid. So in this cuboid, suitcase can roll while pushing in the ground? No. So this is a no. N-O, no. And suitcase have a slides? Yes. Y-E, yes, yes. So this is the first two objects answer. Now we have to move on the next object. Look at the next object. Third one is a cylinder shape. In this cylinder shape, we have a rolling side. So we have right in a S in this dash, and the cylinder have a two flat parts also. This is considered as a slide. So that is also yes. And the last one is a sphere shape. So in this sphere, we will roll easily. For this purpose, we have to write S, and there is no slides in this ball. For that purpose, we have to write no. So now we completed our full exercise. Now we have to move on the next exercise. That is the exercise 5. This exercise 5 regarding a different lines concept. Look at these pictures carefully and read the questions. Count and write the number of sleeping lines, standing lines and slanting lines in the pictures. In this first picture, we had one home based on shapes. Look at the first question. Sleeping lines. Sleeping line is படுத்தது மாதிரி இருக்கும், இந்த மாதிரி dash மாதிரி இருக்கும். So now we have to count the sleeping lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many sleeping lines? 6 sleeping lines. And standing lines. For the standing line, I used a different color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many standing lines? 8 standing lines. And the last question is a slanting lines. For these slanting lines, I picked the color blue. How many slanting lines? 1, 2. So how many slanting lines in this form? 2 slanting lines. This is the way we have to identify the different types of lines in a given picture. And now the next one, it's look like a digital clock. Now we have to count the sleeping lines. For the sleeping lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many sleeping lines? 9 sleeping lines. I pick out the color red for standing lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many standing lines? 8 standing lines. We can find any slanting lines in the digitalized clock? No, there is no slanting lines in this picture. So we have to write it in a 0. This is the way of we have to identify the answers for this question. I hope it's clear to all. We will meet in the next maths class in a different subject, different topic. Thank you, students.